Hey guys, today's video is about dumping Slack messages into Google Sheet and using freely available Gemini AI to play with those messages and get sentiment from the text, or use those message text and pass the input to the generative AI and get the output. So this entire automation is implemented under make.com. So first module we have is a Slack, and then we have HTTP for making call to the Gemini AI. Then we'll use JSON module for parsing data from Gemini AI, and then we'll use Google Sheet module for appending records into Google Sheet. So first let's see the demo. I will put some message into my Slack development channel, so we can use private or public channel. I will run this automation. So I'm using free version, so it will run every 15 minutes, but if you are using pro version, then you can set 1 minute. See, I got the output code not working and sentiment is negative. So let's see how it is implemented. So on the Slack, you need to create a connection with the Slack. Okay, input method, you need to select the channel, select from the list or search by name. So I choose select from list and it is automatically available on drop down. Maximum number of result to be worked during one execution cycle, so I have set it as default 2. Next is a HTTP. so this module is for making call with Gemini AI. So Gemini AI is freely available, so if you can see this pricing detail. So different models are available, and for free tier you can see that we can make a 15 requests per minute, and number of token that we can pass and other stuff. Okay, I will not go in details, but you can use different models as well, but the rate for the free tier are different for each model. Okay, going back to make.com. so here, how do you make call to Gemini AI? So for that you need to go to the Google AI Studio, and here you can see the sample call they have provided. So you can use this sample call and create API key. I have created my own key. This is a test key. You can use this URL, okay, and paste this key and make a curl request. So here you can see I have tried this curl request and I got the response. Okay, so I can use this URL now. So I have copied this URL and pasted here under URL section. So this is my Gemini URL I got. My method is post. If you analyze this curl request, I'm using post method with content type application JSON, and this is my body that I'm sending to Gemini AI. So here my method is post. I will choose body type raw, content type application JSON, and this is my request prompt. Okay, so the input token that we are passing. So this is a fixed format as per documentation given by Google. So I need to pass this body like this. So similarly I have added here, only different part is text. So what I am doing here is I'm getting sentiments from the message. So I have written generate sentiment from following message. It should be either positive or negative or NA. Okay, and then /n for new line, and then message, and then I have provided text. So what is text? So this is coming from Slack text. Okay, now next model is get the response. So if I click on JSON, I need to first create a data structure. So how do I create data structure? We can create using specification, either add or a generate. So if you click on generate, so you need to pass the sample data. So the call request you use it, right? So this is the response from call request. So you can get this response and simply paste it here. Once you paste it, then automatically your data structure will be created and you can use it. Okay, so similarly I have created my data structure, and input string is a data. So what is data? So basically the response which is coming from the HTTP from the Gemini AI model, so that I'm passing as a string. So this will convert string to JSON object. And now I can use last module, that is Google Sheet. In this module we are using two inputs. First input is Slack message as it is, and second is the response from Gemini AI model. So here you can see first thing that you need to create a connection with your Google Sheet. Then you need to search your spreadsheet. So I have searched my spreadsheet with Slack message. This is Slack message. My sheet name is sheet 1. Then it contains header. It depends on your choice. I have selected yes. Now the first value is text. So this is text coming from Slack. So from the Slack message, as it is message, I am writing to column A, and the column B, what I am using here is I am using the JSON object. Under JSON object, this text. Okay, so this is a response from Gemini AI. This entire JSON object is a response from Gemini AI, from which I am extracting text. So I will use text and click on OK. Okay, so this is how I have implemented this automation. Okay, and let's execute now. Okay, so I have sent a message. Since this is running every 15 minutes, I will run it manually. Okay, now here code working fine. So this is positive sentiment. So this is an example that you can dump message into Google Sheet, because Slack free version allows you to keep 90 days message, and the historical message you cannot see. So you can use this automation to dump message. And if you want to play with this data, so you can integrate this Gemini AI model and play with it. So that's all about this automation. Hope you like it. Thank you.